Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So today we have a kind of the gold specific reports, just because in the first video we have considered Australian dollar, which is actually very often treated as a golden currency. So Australia has really big amount of the gold and this supply gold around the world. So let's take a look today instead of the euro, just because a lot of people asking me about what's going on with New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar. So we have decided just today to update our view on Australian dollar, because actually it's a long time has spent already when we have taken a look at the last time on this currency. On the gold market in turn, well guys, as you understand, not many things that we could say today. So because market accurately has completed the predefined targets that we have set, scoring around 19 even area. You could see on intraday charts how slowing down the market overall performance is entering the really tight area of weekly support. It's like the swamp. This market just slowing and feeling some pressure from the bulls around this area. So and actually currently I think that it's time to think about possibly taking long position. So the few approaches might be preferably if you just have the good skills with the intraday charts on the hourly chart and lower time frame, and you will be able to find, for instance, some patterns there using it for taking the position. It just could save lots of money. So because you will have to place significantly tight stop orders. If you do not have such a skill, it's not a problem. Actually, you could. It will. I suppose that it probably will not be the mistake if you try to take position around 19 even area, just based on the existent weekly confidence support, and using daily butterfly for possible position taken with the placing stop somewhere below this area. You should decide by yourself, because it's depends on your available assets on the account, what the size of your position that you intend to open, and what the risk that you are ready to take on this trade. But from the technical point of view, we already have bullish potential patterns, which is a butterfly actually stands already on the daily chart right around the weekly confidence support. So it should be enough to trigger at least 30% pullback here, somewhere to the 1940 area. So it should be enough background, but preferably, of course, it's used to fine tune on the lower time frames. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we do not see also something really specific. This is our pennant. Market has dropped lower, so you could take a look how actually slower and choppier price action has become compared to this one. So once market entering around 1908 area, which starting of the weekly support, immediately downside action is becoming slower and market just stands stable around this support cluster. On the hourly chart, the one thing, if you would like to play some thrilling game, you could try to outseat the market performance, watching for a reaching of the XOP, which is around 1899. Today, tomorrow, we will get some important statistics. I'm speaking about, first of all, personal consumption expenditures that could bring some volatility across the board, and in gold market also probably could become could be under impact of this data. And you could try to just play this game, trying to catch some spike when the market hits the XOP if you want to. But in general, in this area, I would start thinking about the booking results, just because, well, that's the area where market could start rally surprisingly, just because you're standing in a strong support level. This butterfly also might be used for considering taking long positions, just because this is the butterfly. The one thing that you have to follow is just to place stop at least below maybe the 1618 extension of the same butterfly around 1893, or preferably even lower. So just to make market fluctuate around important targets, which might be some occasional spikes, volatility, especially on the background of important statistics release. That is for those who would like to take the position based on the patterns that we already have. If you still would like to wait some reaction, as I said, I call it as a fine tune, you could wait when the upper direction will start here, and then maybe some minor pattern will be formed here, and then try and take position on minor retracement. That's another approach to the market. You could combine both approaches. For instance, to take some part of your position right here with the patterns that we already have in place, and then see what will happen. Once market will form something else, I don't know, maybe it will be kind of the hand and shoulders to be formed here. You could add more on the shoulder with the tighter stop area. So that's approximately what we intend to do on the gold market, but in 2 words speaking, downside action on the intraday charts right now is over, and we should start thinking about possible reversal and keep an eye on the possible signs of this reversal on the daily and intraday charts.